In this video we're going to take a day trip over to visit the island of Mujeres. So we're going to jump the ferry across to the island. Now we're just in the taxi heading to the ferry terminal in Cancun, so we can see what it's like, and we'll be there in just a second. Here we are, just arrived at the ferry terminal, and you can see there's plenty of taxis waiting, so the transport to and from this place is very easy. I'll leave you now to watch the video. Hope you enjoy it, and please feel free to subscribe. I would love your support.
The next boat is in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many? 3 adults, 1 child?
Tickets, please.
Got them here.
Okay. Where people? 4. Come on. Change license. Okay, thank you. Check out this.
Oh, I got them mixed up.
Gracias. ¿Y ya me dijo que la cosa?
Hola, bienvenidos. Equipaje en la parte de atrás del equipaje.
Valentín, si lo puedo.
Se detiene el tiempo, le viene el alma al cuerpo, sonrío cuando me enamoro. Si la luna sería tu premio, pueda quedar ya de ti, de mí, de ayer. Es una pena, siempre serías torciéndome. Culpable o no, y en el tiempo va a ser ya. No está dispuesta a bailar sola. Sientes el ritmo y te descontrola. La envidia me llama de todas. Vamos, estamos. Estamos. nacional.
So here we are over the other side of the Isle of Mujeres. That's the end of today's video, but on this island there is one of the top 10 beaches in Mexico, which is called Playa Norte, and it's absolutely stunning. I've done a video on it, so if you'd like to see that, please check it out. The link will be in the description below, and also if you want to see around the island, I have a video on that. You can check that out as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your support, and hopefully see you in the next video.